my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some Star Wars cupcakes. So, if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 1 1/4 cup of flour, add in 2 teaspoons baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl, combine 85 grams of butter and 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add in 86 grams of sour cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Add in the flour mixture in 2 batches. Mix until well combined. Add in 6 tablespoons of milk. Mix until well combined. Add in 2 tablespoons of water and mix until well combined. Beat 3 egg whites until stiff. Add in the stiff egg whites and mix until well combined. Spoon the batter into prepared cupcake cases and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 17 minutes. For the icing, I used my basic buttercream recipe, which I'll link. And I just added a few drops of blue food coloring. Pipe onto cooled cupcakes. Peel the plastic off some edible paper. Brush on some water and place on the cupcake. Repeat this for all the following designs.